How to select 3-wire macro in ABB ACS560 drive. Press OK button and then press down button. Then go to the setting option, press OK button. Here is the folder option, press OK button. Then go to the 96, group number 96 by pressing up and down key. Go to the 96. After pressing OK button, here is the parameter inside the group and 9601, 9602. Go to the 9604, press OK button and select 11. Press OK button to save and verify on 9605. We save parameter macro in group number 96.04 and verify on 96.05. Now 3-wire macro is activated. Then press back button, go to the main display.